Hey everyone, it's Marty and Chris here. First of all, I want to thank everyone for coming out last weekend. It was great to see so many of our good friends and new friends and old friends at the Liminal tasting. I thought the wines were tasting fantastic, Chris. That was really a lot of fun. So I hope if you made it, you had a good time. We had a lot of questions there, and we've had some emails since we sent out the allocation about tell us a little bit more about the 2020 vintage. So I dragged Chris out of the cellar. We're gearing up to bottle next week a lot of these liminal wines. And I thought I'd ask him, says, Chris, what's your assessment of the 2020 vintage for WeatherEye and the liminal wines? Are you pretty excited about it?
Yes, I am. Yeah, I think we're coming up on maybe what's our biggest bottling run yet. So it's been a busy week, but it was exciting to share the wines last weekend. I think the 2020s, we were just putting them in tank yesterday. They really show a lot of concentration, great color. The yields were low that year in 2020, a little lower than average. And so that brings a lot of concentration to the wines. And I just really think that, these different wines are just showing how these blocks are, unique, different, and of superb quality. So I think we're just, because this is our third vintage, we're just learning more every year and, just trying to get better and showing these amazing vines.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I thought we don't have any reviews out on these wines yet, but we have previewed them with a couple of notable critics, and we're hoping to see those reviews soon. Any particular wine that's a real standout? We're bottling the Rhones literally on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. So that's the Canyon Syrah, the Block 16 Syrah, the Grenache, the GSM. Any one of those just really have you excited?
Well, as we were tasting through the barrel samples last weekend, I really found that GSM is really dialing it in. Part of it spent a year in concrete egg, and then part of it in barrel. And I think we're just finding ways to accentuate some of the strengths of those blocks. The Grenache itself, this is a different Grenache than the GSM. It's a different block from another part of the vineyard, and it just shows itself to be one of the outstanding blocks of anything anywhere, honestly. It's just outstanding. We're probably limited to maybe 80 cases of that.
Wow.
And then the two Syrahs just seem great. They're really showing different aspects. They're really the Canyon Syrah with those dark black fruits and a little bit of Viognier in the co-ferment and done in concrete versus the Block 16, which is kind of muscular, burly, a little more cured meats, and just kind of really showing that yin and yang of that grape. And they're hundreds of meters apart. It's so close.
That's so cool. Well, we're pretty excited about this allocation and this release. These wines are going to be outstanding. I think we've been very fortunate to work with Cam and Ryan at WeatherEye. We hope you're excited to pick up your allocations. There's more information and tasting notes from Chris, and as soon as we get any reviews, we'll send them out to you as well. So thanks for your support. We look forward to seeing you next time you have an opportunity to visit. Take care.
Thank you.